Sorry, the chair's a bit. I do it on purpose. Keep you on edge.
Keep you on- keep you on your toes.
Exactly. Nice. Little tilt this way. And then scooch the chair backwards for me if you can. That's the one. Nice. Little tilt this way. Say what?
What?
Nice. Looking over here. And back to camera. Nice, looking up at the ceiling. And back to camera. Nice, looking outside. And back to camera. Head straight towards camera. That's it. And then body towards camera. That's it, leaning forwards towards me. Nice, head straight. Look at this board. Just with the eyes back to camera. Slowly bring your head round. Amazing. Keep going, looking at the other boards. Just with the eyes back to camera. That's it, slowly bring the head round. Nice. Nice, looking outside.